The problem in the Permian Basin is that 41,000 new wells are expected to be fracked by 2023. This will require about 24 billion barrels of water. That's a problem because right now, fresh water is very scarce in the Permian. Additionally, once these wells are completed, there will be an average oil production of 5.4 million barrels per day. That's a problem because the water to oil ratio in the Permian is extremely high. In fact, it's at about 10 to 1. About 54 million barrels of produced oil water will be produced every day. For our customers, we have two value propositions. The first is that we can save a single fracking customer $3.2 million per year in water treatment costs. The other value proposition is that we can save a single fracking customer $1.8 million in water purchasing costs per year. Our product is treated produced oil water to be sold to fracking customers, and our service is the treatment of dirty produced oil water. The way we treat produced oil water is through a technology called electrocoagulation. Electrocoagulation is an electrochemical process that involves an anode and a cathode and a battery. The battery generates electricity into the cathode where it is reduced by water, causing the water to turn into negative hydroxide ions, which then cause the oxidation of the anode. When the positive aluminum ions bond with the negative hydroxide ions, they then combine with whatever contaminant is in the water to produce a flock that can be filtered out. The problem with traditional electrocoagulation technologies is that the anodes passivate after about 10 hours of operation and have to be replaced. With our electrocoagulation technology, however, we can use our anodes for 30 days straight until they are completely consumed. The reason we are able to do this is because traditional anodes are fixed, however ours are rotating. At this point, we have completely finished our product development and commercially scaled our technology. To the right is our second generation commercial scale reactor. We plan on deploying these reactors in trailers that we will take to frac well sites where we will treat the produced oil water and then sell it back to the same fracking customers. We are currently seeking $5 million in funding to establish pilot projects in Jal, New Mexico and Midland, Texas, as well as to produce reactors and establish a service center for the replacement of anodes. For an investor, this would represent an IRR of 52%.